For the registration related cases, in case the application filed by the taxpayer that his registration application is rejected on incorrect ground, the appeal 04 will be passed basis on the merit of the case, and effect of the registration is to be given by the jurisdictional authority. For other than for revocation, for cancellation, all effects will be given by the jurisdictional authority, except the demand related thing, where the appellate authority is entitled or he is competent, is given the power to navigate to the ledger part, and he can update, modify, or change the tax liability ledger depending on the merit of the case after hearing. So in short, these are the processes which are related to the filing of appeal, and I have tried to explain you briefly. The process is simple, and all these functionalities are available after logging. So you have to log in on your system, and in case you are aggrieved by any order, you can file the appeal. And as I explained to you that the navigation part is available. So dashboard, you have to enter the dashboard, services, user services, my application, appeal to the appellate authority. Clicking on that, you have to enter the order type, what kind of order is, if it is demand order, registration order, refund order, and other order. You have to just classify, select the category of the order and enter the order number. System validates the order number. On validating the order number, system will show all the pre-phased information. System will fetch all the related relevant information particularly to that order number, and it will be displayed before you, the applicant. And you have to select the category on which the application is going to be filed. So there are 16 categories. I mentioned to you that you can select multiple categories also by adding one by one. Order of dispute will be auto-populated, so you need not to enter the order of period of dispute. Once all these details are entered, you have to, if you wish to upload the document, you can upload the relevant documents on the system, and it may be a hard copy or PDF, but only PDF or JPEG images can be uploaded. No other type of files are allowed. You can upload up to maximum 4 supporting document. Each supporting document can be 5 MB each. So there are provision for 20 MB upload. So it is you can upload it, and after uploading all these details, you have to enter the amount in dispute. Based on your amount in dispute of tax, your other details will appear, and the pre-deposit amount will be calculated by the system. And once you enter all these details, you have to utilize this pre-deposit amount by utilizing it through ITC or cash. And on clicking on the utilizing ITC or cash, you have to the system will navigate you to your ITC ledger or your cash ledger. Depending on the balance of your ITC ledger or cash ledger, you have to utilize the amount. You have to enter the amount, whether this part, suppose if you wish to enter to amount that it has to be settled by the cash ledger or ITC ledger or both, you can enter it separately and you have to utilize it. Once you enter all these details and utilize it, set off, you have to click on the set off part. On clicking on the set off, information message will appear that you have utilized these amounts, and after that the system will navigate you to the same page of the APL 01, and you have to submit the application by clicking on the verification part and submitting your declaration. As I explained that it can be saved as draft. You have given the functionality to preview the application. You can back the application, or you can go back and you can make necessary corrections. Suppose you wish, if you suppose you forget to enter some of the details, you can go back and you can do correction. Once all these things are done, finally you have to you need to click on the proceed to file. Once it is clicked on the proceed to file, you have to submit your application with your DSC or EDC. On clicking this, a temporary acknowledgement will be generated, provisional acknowledgement will be generated. You have to download all these details, and you have to approach before the appellate authority for submitting the hard copy of the documents which are related to this, and a final acknowledgement will be generated in APL02 format. And once the final acknowledgement is generated, your status of the application will be as appeal admitted. The appeal number will be given for the application, and on that particular appeal number, you can track your appeal application on your dashboard. What is the status?